Hello everyone, I hope you're having a nice weekend and you are enjoying your time and not in front of the chart the whole time. So I wish you, of course, to have enjoy, of course, your time as well, and not always be stressed about the things that is going on, because the life is not all about this. The thing is, now I just want to tell you that we have the same chart as Bitcoin inside Solana. So Solana is doing almost the same as Bitcoin. First, we have the same impulse, right? The big impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave 3 and finishing wave 4, and we are looking for wave 5 towards the upside. The correction of the wave 4 inside Solana is very, very close to the Bitcoin wave 4 as well. We have a zigzag, we have a flat, and potentially we are looking again for 5 waves towards the upside, finishing this flat, hitting exactly the fib levels for a wave C, right? After this, everyone will think, okay, it's done. That we are not looking for higher prices because it's done, but it is not. We are still in a corrective wave of wave 4. We're gonna see lower prices, a zigzag potentially, so the double zigzag in WXY as well, and then move higher again in an explosive wave towards the upside. Nothing has changed from Bitcoin, to be honest. Solana is following Bitcoin chart 100%, I would say. Of course, there is some difference in prices in some ways, but at the end, the patterns are exactly the same. So, if you want, of course, to check on Solana, you need, of course, to always follow with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is always kind of the leader of cryptocurrency, and kind of Solana is following Bitcoin like step by step, while Ethereum is not. We're gonna see Ethereum next in the next video. We are expecting 5 waves towards the upside, finishing this potential expanding flat. Here we go. The wave C should end exactly almost between this level. Let's put exactly the wave C, by the way, expanding flat wave C. This is your wave C. So what we are looking at, then ABC, that's okay, well labeled, A, B, and a C here. All right, so this is gonna be a little bit smaller, because the wave 5 is gonna finish the wave C, and the wave B, of course, over the wave 4. The wave 4 is the main here. Let's put this also in a little bit bigger. Here we go. This is our label. We are looking for A, B, and a C. Otherwise, okay, if the things will not work well, I mean, by of course passing the 886 and even the 0.5 fib level for wave 4, then of course we are looking for WXY as well, same as Bitcoin, with a finished running flat, like this. Finished running flat. However, this running flat, let's check, by the way, if it is like Bitcoin. Well, yes, I mean, it could be, rather than finished here, it can be finished there. We can see 5 waves towards the upside here. So it can be A, B, and a C, where this running flat has finished, and we are looking for a zigzag, which is even, okay, that's interesting. Okay, that's interesting, because if this is a finished wave zigzag here, let's see this zigzag, okay, but this zigzag is very, very big in relation with this one. So, no, I don't think so. So, I don't think that this is gonna be the finished zigzag yet. And also, by the way, let's check here. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 has passed the 1, so no, it doesn't work. The 4 has took the 1. It cannot be an impulse. It says 3 waves down, 3 waves up. 3 and 5 waves down. That means this could be a wave of a diagonal, wave 2 for a diagonal, as labeled exactly here. Yes. That gives, by the way, a much more higher possibility now that this could be a diagonal, right? So this is what we want to see, a continuation towards the upside in case, of course, even if we touch the 886. Lower than the 886, then, of course, we are looking for lower prices, guys. However, even, of course, lower, I mean, like, you have to take this low. Once you take this low, then this is your confirmation. Then, of course, take your trade as a bearish. That's very simple. So that's it for Solana. There is not so much different. It's not so much different from Bitcoin. It's almost the same. I would say 98% is the same patterns, except this here. Okay, except here. All right, it's the same pattern, but okay, different waves a little bit. But we still see 3 waves towards the downside, same as Bitcoin as well, right? Bitcoin has more sharp 3 waves, but this one looks like much more like a regular flat. So, as a bullish scenario, because we finished our regular flat, by the way, as a bullish scenario, if we go now, let's see on the miner, here we go, it's the same like Bitcoin. Exactly the same. Now we are looking for 5 waves towards the upside. And I think in Solana, if that is your wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. If we go higher than this, okay, than this point here, then we have already invalidated the impulse, in case this is an impulse towards the downside, but definitely it is not. It doesn't look even as an impulse towards the downside. So no worries. I think we are going higher, at least in a zigzag. So you want to see the same amount now repeating of that. I hope that you catch this already before uploading. So, however, of course, it's going to take some time. However, your zigzag, let's say here, zigzag extension, yeah, so it is already higher. So there is a big, probability of reversal, guys. Don't forget we are still in the green box, right? Don't forget as well that we have a wave 1. So very high potential that we are looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. And even go bullish from now, not waiting either for WXY. This possibility is always there. As I told you always, I was mentioning this scenario is very strong while everyone is bearish. I was still claiming that, okay, there is a lot of bullish scenarios still there that it can reverse you, and please take care and be careful with it, because this is exactly what happened now, right? We took our last chance and it is still there. Of course, it might go down, maybe, all right? I'm not always right, but I think this is the right thing to do, is to hold and wait and see the signal, right? Now, if we see 3 waves up, 5 waves up and 3 waves down as we see now, and then we go up and take this high, remember, this is an entry for a trade. Now, be careful that it is just a zigzag, so that means, yeah, you want to take your profit exactly there, okay? No financial advice, but it is a tradable small profit, okay? In case we see continuation, then, okay, we are bullish, all right? We are bullish because in case it continues to the 1.618, then this is an impulse, and you are looking for 5 waves again, and then 3 waves down, then go up again. This is your biggest entry here. Then, okay, we are bullish, guys, for higher prices. That's it for Solana. I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. That supports me so well to continue updating you with these prices action. Thank you very much. Have a nice week and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.